Second.
Well, okay, come on. Okay.
You're always speaking Irish English today, mate.
Yeah. Let's go see what's going on in these pipes.
So scene number 1, fireplace, chimney, Robbie and me project.
Oh,
Ja. Wat doe dat?
We must go out with this.
I want to see inside.
Yeah, me too.
I want to see what's inside.
What's going on?
Let's take the light. Wait, I have one here.
Guys, that park here is around 20 years now. Nobody was clean that part.
Houston, I'm going in. And the ribs here.
Yeah.
But we would need to have proper tools to be able to access this all the way. Good that we put the door back on, that's a lot.
I go buy metal brush. Without metal brush we can't clean this properly. That metal brush and also that one. That one is with this extension. We are back, guys.
Tea time. There we go. Ja, check dat uit, dat is niet, dat is niet meer. Now it's Robert's turn. He's going in. black dust coming out of my nose. Oh, that's fun.
Ja. Guys, please no jokes with my building.
that out because I cleaned that before we started. So this is all from the fireplace in the chimney. Yeah. Still some there, but it's much better than it was.
Guys, we finished with fireplace. Here is Ginny. This is not my cat, this is Ginny. But it's
similar.
Yeah.
Yeah, we made a big fire. Robert was telling me I'm not making the fire big enough, so no, we have a really big fire. The pumps went off, so the water circulating in the system now. And yeah, in an hour or so we should have it nice and warm here.
Yeah, this house I built 20 years ago, and I know everything about this fireplace, and I think must be.
Oh yeah, we took a lot of ashes out, and was a lot of material. So, and I also noticed that the temperature of the water was rising quicker now than normally, so should be much better now. I'm very thankful that Robert came by, because yeah, he knows every bit and screw of this house, so it's really great to have him around.
Guys, thank you very much for watching, and see you in next one.
Yeah,
Bye.
have a good one. Bye.